Hey guys, Kineton Gaming here. Just another little tip from Windows 10. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get alternative or related information about a subject just by drawing a shape or square or circle around it. Okay, so say you want to get information about a Star Wars character that I've got up on the screen, General Grievous. Okay, this guy here. Now, what you do is go to the taskbar just by floating your mouse down the bottom, okay, or by pressing the Windows key. And go to search, this icon here, okay? Now you click on it and then you go to the bottom right corner, search with a screenshot, okay? So you click on that. Now this will appear at the top, giving you some options to draw a shape, a square, or you can have like a full screen snip, but we don't need a full screen snip. So what we'll do is go with a square, okay? And we'll just highlight him like this, okay? You just drag the square around as much of him as you can. And then it will say searching for similar images. And it might do this sometimes. I don't know why Windows does this. Giving it a little moment, and then it will find alternative information on General Grievous. There's the picture we highlighted. And then there's your related content. Simple as that. So it's, well, whatever it might find. It might be useful to you, it might not. But it's just another little tip, another little trick you can use, and then it'll take you to another website with some information about General Grievous, either in a video game like this, or a movie, or something else. And this can be on any subject you want, literally. Whatever you see in front of you, you can highlight and it will get alternative information. Okay, thanks a lot, guys.